Hello students, Assalamu alaikum everyone and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Here, I, Sadia Afrin, teacher of Milestone Preparatory KG School from Sector 4. Today, again, I will take your BGS class. Now, my dear students, can you tell me what is our today's lecture number? Yes, our today's lecture number is 49. Dear students, before going to start our today's topic discussion, I want to recall our previous lesson. Now, can you tell me what was our previous lesson? Yes, our previous lesson was chapter 13. And our chapter 13 name is what? Yes, our chapter 13 name is Population of Bangladesh. Last class, you have finished chapter 13 part 2. And our part 2 name is what? Yes, part 2 name is the causes of overpopulation. Dear students, in this chapter you have learned about population figure from 1974 up to 2018, and also you have learned about the growth rate of population in Bangladesh, and you have learned about the density of population. Already you know what is density of population. The number of people live in per square kilometer is called density of population. My dear students, in this chapter you have learned also about the negative effects of population. Dear students, already you have learned about the causes of overpopulation. Already you know there are 4 causes of overpopulation. Yes, that is what? The social reason, the economic reason, the religious reason, and the health reason. So, dear students, I hope all of you have understood the whole chapter discussion. So, now I want to ask you some question from our previous lesson. I hope all of you can tell the answer. So, let's start it. So, dear students, now question number 1. So, the question is, what was the population of Bangladesh in 1974? This is very easy question. So, what is the answer? The answer is the population of Bangladesh in 1974 was 7 crore 64 lakh. Yes, very good answer. Now, question number 2. So, what is the question? Yes, the question is, tell 2 social reasons of population density. As you know, because of social reasons, day by day, our population is increasing. So here, you have to tell 2 causes of social reasons. So, what is the answer? Yes, the answer is number 1, lack of education, and number 2, wanting more male child. Yes, this is also very easy answer. Now, question number 3. So, what is the question? Yes, the question is, tell 2 negative effects of population density. I know, my dear students, you can tell the answer. So, what is the answer? 2 negative effects of population density are, number 1, people cannot get enough work, and number 2, people cannot buy enough food. Yes, very good. Now, question number 4, and this is the last question for you from our previous topic. So, what is the question? Yes, the question is, which cause of overpopulation do you think is most important? Yes, this is also very easy question. As you know, there are 4 reasons of overpopulation. Here, you have to tell which one is the most important. So, what is the answer? Yes, the answer is social cause of overpopulation is most important. Yes, very good answer. I am very much happy for you because you have learned your lesson properly. Dear students, now I will discuss my today's topic discussion. So, today, what we will read? Yes, today we will read the broad question answer and short question answer of chapter 13. I hope all of you will enjoy the class. So, let's start the discussion. Students, now I will discuss about the learning outcome of our today's topic discussion. Let's see. After finishing the lesson, we will be able to learn all short question answer and also learn all broad question answer from chapter 13. So, dear students, now I will discuss the short questions answer of chapter 13. As you know, today our topic is short question answer and broad question answer discussion. So, let's start it. See here, question number 1. See what is the question? What is population? And what is our population growth rate per year? As you can see this picture, there are lots of people in this picture and these are the population of Bangladesh. And already you know in class 3, Bangladesh is an overpopulated country. So, let's see the answer. Population means the whole number of people or inhabitant in a country. And see what is the growth rate? Our population growth rate per year is now 1.33%, which has actually been lower than 3% of 1970. Now, question number 2. The question is, what is density of population? That means here you have to write what do you mean by density of population and what is our density of population. That means what is the current density of population in our country. So, let's see the answer. See the answer. The number of people per square kilometer is called density of population. See, in 2018, the density of population was 1116 people per square kilometer. As you know, day by day our population is increasing. Now, question number 3. The question is, what is the global position of Bangladesh in terms of population density? Here, you have to compare our population internationally. So, let's see the answer. And see here, this is the population density map. You can see the map, all the area in our country are overpopulated area. Now, the answer is, as you know, Bangladesh is an overpopulated country and Bangladesh is the 10th most densely populated country in the world. And according to the area, that means in area, Bangladesh is 90th in the world. Question number 4. The question is, name 2 social causes of overpopulation. Here you have to write 2 social causes of overpopulation. 2 social causes of overpopulation are given below. Number 1, lack of education. That means because of overpopulation, people cannot get proper education. 27.70% of our total population is still illiterate in our country. Point number 2, child marriage are the social reasons of overpopulation. This is the main cause in the social reasons. Because of child marriage, that means below 18. Because of this, girls are not getting equal benefit. They are not taking education. That's why our population is day by day increasing. See here, people are not getting proper education and we have to what? We have to do work to stop child marriage under 18. And this is the social barrier for the girl and we have to stop this one. Now, question number 5. Within how many years the population of Bangladesh has been doubled? Within 45 years, the population of Bangladesh has been doubled. That means from 1974 up to 2019. Within these 45 years, our population has been doubled. As you know, in 1974, our population was 7 crore 64 lakh and in 2019, it was 16 crore 55 lakh. Almost doubled. Okay, now see, already you know our population growth rate per year is now 1.33%, which has actually been lower than 3% of 1970. That means in 1970 it was 3%. Now it is 1.33%. Now question number 6, and this is the last short question for this chapter. Two effects of overpopulation on transport are: the number of transport is insufficient according to the increasing population. As you know, day by day our population is increasing, and for this increasing population we need transport, but our transports are limited. And number 2, for this reason people have to face problem while moving different places. That means because of overpopulation people are facing problem while they are moving in one place to another places. They are facing different types of problem. Okay, they cannot go to the preferred places on time. They are facing lots of jam, and also extra passenger have to be carried in buses, trains and launches, and it can be a very risky for the passenger. Anytime accident can occur. So these are the two effects of overpopulation on transport. Dear students, already I have finished the short question answer discussion. Now I will discuss the broad question answer. So let's start it. See question number 1. The question is, what are the effects of overpopulation on the environment? So let's see the answer. See, increase of overpopulation is the key reason behind the environment pollution. That means because of overpopulation we are facing different types of problem in environment, and this is that means overpopulation is the key reason, that means the main reason behind the environment pollution. And overpopulation has a bad effect on the environment. Large population needs large area for housing. That means for human settlement we need large area. Due to the expansion means what? Increase or enhancement of residential area of human beings, trees are decreasing. That means what? People cut down too many trees for housing. That's why what is happening? Our environment is polluting. As a result, carbon dioxide in the air is increasing and the temperature is rising. Already you know, from trees we can get oxygen, but day by day we are doing we are cutting down our trees. For that reason carbon dioxide in the air is increasing, and because of carbon dioxide the temperature is rising. That means the climate day by day is become what? It become more hot. Again, more vehicles and industries are needed for increased population. As you know, for our growing population we need what? We need more transport and vehicles. So what is happening? And also we need different types of industries, and these vehicles industries produce different types of poisonous means what? Polluted gas and smoke which pollute air. As you know, from vehicle different types of poisonous gas emits, and this gas mixed into our air, and day by day what is happening? Our environment is become polluted. For this what is happening? This pollutes the environment, and polluted environment creates different types of illness and diseases. Because of overpopulation, slums are being created in the urban areas. As a result, environment pollution occurs. In this way, growth of population, that means the increase of population, pollutes the environment. So these are the bad effects of overpopulation on the environment. Here you can see from big field black smoke emits and it mixes in the air and it damages our environment. And here you can see water is also polluted because of the overpopulation. People are throwing rubbish here and there. And see, people are cutting down trees, and because of cutting down trees, what is happening? Carbon dioxide increases in the where? In our environment, and because of this the temperature is increasing. Dear students, now I will go for the key points of this broad question answer. Already you know, if you remember the key points or keywords of any broad question, you can write the answer easily. So let's see question number 1, key points or keywords. See here, expansion. As you know, because of the expansion of population, day by day our environment is polluting. Then temperature is rising. As you know, because of overpopulation, people are cutting down trees, and that's why carbon dioxide in the air is increasing, and because of this temperature is rising throughout the world, not only in our country. And poisonous. Now I will discuss question number 2. Let's see the question. What would happen if families had fewer children? There are two types of family in our country: large family and small family. Large family may have so many family members, and a small family there will be family member will be very less, like 3 or 4 person in a family. In large family there will be 7, 8 or more than 10 person. So let's see the answer. The advantage of having fewer children in families are mentioned below. Number 1, there will be necessary food available for everyone in the family. That means everyone in the family will get enough healthy food. Because of the less number of people in the family, every children can get enough food. Now point number 2, every child can get the proper education. As you know, because of overpopulation or in a large family, children cannot get proper education because their family cannot afford the education cost. Sometimes children have to do work with their family to support their family economically. But if a family had fewer children, parents can afford the education cost. So that what will happen? The illiteracy rate in our country will be decreased. Now point number 3, parents can take care all the family members. If a family there will be less family member, parents can take care all the family members or all the children of the family, and all types of need of that children can be fulfilled. Number 4, everyone can get the necessary medical treatment. As you know, medical treatment and healthcare also one type of basic need for every human being, not only for the children. In a small family, everyone can get the medical treatment properly. The family can save money because in that family there will be less number of children. They can save money, and economically they will be solvent. By this way, financial condition, that means economic condition, will be developed. They will not face any problem regarding money if they have fewer children. Now see, in this question also there are some key points. Number 1, food available. As you know, in the small family everyone can get proper food. Then proper education. Because of the overpopulation, people are not getting proper education. But if in a family there will be fewer children, that time all the children can get the proper education. Then medical treatment, already you know, children can get the medical treatment properly if in a family there will be fewer children. And last of all, financial condition. As you know, if in a family there are less member, they can save money properly so that their financial condition will be developed. Now I will discuss question number 3. What are the reasons of overpopulation of Bangladesh? See the answer. Bangladesh is an overpopulated country. A number of reasons are responsible for the overpopulation. Already you know there are mainly 4 reasons for our population growth. Now I will discuss it. Number 1. The social reasons. Lack of education. Already you know, because of our overpopulation, the education rate in our country is not 100% and the illiteracy rate in our country is 27.70%. Then child marriage, especially for the girls, they are getting married below 18. Then polygamy. Do you know what is the meaning of polygamy? Yes, the meaning is the condition of having more than one wife at the same time. Another thing is what? And want of more male children. Want of plenty of children to look after them in old age. And they are wanting more children and they believe that they will also take care in the old age. And because of this, our population is increasing. And these are the main social reason for increasing population. Then the economic reasons. As you know, Bangladesh is mainly an agricultural country with a great demand of labor. We need labor for doing different types of agricultural work. For this, want of more male children are needed to support the family. They believe that the male children will support the family, and also this produces a need for more male children to help work the land. Now the religious reasons. Blind religious beliefs. That means they have some superstition rather than being realistic. In one of the major reasons, they believe that God will provide food and shelter. They are not realistic about whether a family can afford to support itself. They cannot support the family economically, but they have blind religious beliefs. For that reason also, our population is increasing day by day. Now, health reason, and this is the last reason for overpopulation. See, a great development in medical science resulted in overpopulation. As you know, day by day our medical technology is improving. We have discovered so many medical equipment so that the death rate is decreasing. Because of this also our population is increasing. Above all, women education and consciousness play a crucial role. What do you mean by crucial? Crucial means important role in keeping the families small, and this improve their well-being. That means the role of women in this whole cycle is very important or very crucial. If girls and women had better education, women could go to work to earn money for their family. Dear students, you can see in this question also already I have marked somewhat with red color, and these are the key points of this question. Must you have to remember these key points so that you can memorize the whole question easily. See, in this question these are the key points. Polygamy, as you know, already I have discussed. agricultural country. Already you know these things because of Bangladesh is an agricultural country for the great demand of labor. Then blind religious belief. And because of this blind religious belief, they think that God will provide food and shelter rather than being realistic about whether a family can afford to support itself. And last of all, development in medical science. Day by day is what? And this is the health reason. And because of this, what? Day by day our medical technology is improving. Now I will discuss question number 4. And this is the last question of today's topic discussion. Let's see the question. The question is, how can we decrease overpopulation? As you know, day by day our population is increasing. Now, what we will do to decrease our overpopulation? Let's see the answer. We can take the following step to decrease the overpopulation. Number 1, women education facilities should be ensured. That means women will get proper education, and already you know the role of women in this whole cycle is very important. If girls and women had better education, women could go to work to earn money for their family. Then measures should be taken to increase the consciousness. What is the meaning of consciousness? Awareness about the bad effects of overpopulation. Number C, polygamy, child marriage, blind religious belief should be stopped. As you know, polygamy and child marriage is the social reasons, and blind religious belief should be stopped, and we have to do work to stop these types of causes. People should know about the advantages of less population. That means we can arrange different types of campaign, different types of program to make people aware about the advantages or the benefits of less population. And also, if our family have fewer children, which types of benefit they can get, we can describe these things very easily so that they can know about the advantage of less population. Number E, above all, government should also take proper step in this regard. Above all, this is the most important things. Government also will take different types of step, like different types of campaign, different types of awarening post. Government can take these types of things to make people aware about the bad effects of overpopulation, so that people will be more aware about the overpopulation. In this way, we can decrease our population. Dear students, in this question also, you can see I have marked some word with red color, and these are the key points of this question. So, let's see these key points. Women education. Already we know, if girls and women had better education, women could go to work to earn money for their family. Not only women education, 100% literacy rate must be ensured. Okay, then increase the consciousness. We have to do work about the increase the consciousness of people about the bad effects of overpopulation. Then advantage of less population. That means what are the benefits or what are the advantages of less population. We have to describe these things among the people so that they can be more aware about the bad effect of overpopulation. And last step is what? Proper step. That means government will take necessary step or proper step so that people will more aware or more conscious about the bad effects of overpopulation. Dear students, already I have discussed all the question answer of today's topic. I hope all of you have understood all the questions. So, dear students, already I have finished my today's topic discussion. I hope all of you have understood my today's topic discussion. Today we have learned about the short question answer and broad question answer of chapter 13. As you know, our chapter 13 name is Population of Bangladesh. So today we have learned about the population figure and also the growth rate of population, the negative effects of overpopulation in Bangladesh, and also the density of population and the causes of population. As you know, there are 4 causes of overpopulation. So, dear students, now again I will ask you some question from our today's topic discussion. I hope this time also you can tell the answer. So, let's start it. So, question number 1. The question is, what is our population growth rate per year? Yes, this question is very easy. So, what is the answer? Yes, the answer is, our population growth rate per year is 1.33%. Now, question number 2. The question is, what is density of population and what is our density of population? Yes, this is also very easy question. So, what is the answer? Yes, the answer is, the number of people per square kilometer is called density of population, and our density of population is 1116 people per square kilometer. Very good answer. Now, question number 3. The question is, within how many years the population of Bangladesh has been doubled? Yes, the answer is, within 45 years the population of Bangladesh has been doubled. Now, question number 4, and this is the last question for you. Yes, the question is, tell 2 social causes of overpopulation. So, the answer is, 2 social causes of overpopulation are child marriage and number 2, polygamy. Very good answer. Now, dear students, I will give you the diary. So, what is the diary today? Let's see here. Yes, the diary is, learn all the broad question answer and short question answer of chapter 13. My dear students, today you have one homework. That means you have to write something in your homework copy. And our homework number is what? Yes, our homework number is 27. So, let's see the homework. Yes, the homework is L plus W, that means learn plus write broad question answer 3. So, dear students, write this homework in your homework copy. Dear students, I hope all of you have enjoyed my today's topic discussion. Now, I am at the end of the class. So, dear students, now I want to tell you something. Please study properly at your home. Now, you cannot come to school. So, what you will do at your home, you will study properly and you will do the Zoom class regularly. And if you have any homework in any subject, you have to do it. So, dear students, please listen to your parents and teacher. And one more thing, please stay safe, stay healthy. That's all for today. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.